This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the account that owns the short. This avoids deleting the wrong video. Once signed in, open the YouTube app or go to YouTube Studio on desktop so you have the Content tab visible. Locate shorts quickly by filtering for short form or looking in the shorts shelf on your channel. This is faster than scrolling. Make sure you can preview the short to confirm it's the exact clip you want removed before you proceed with deletion. You now perform the deletion step. Open the short, tap the three-dot menu in the app, or use the Actions menu in YouTube Studio on desktop. Choose Delete, then Confirm when prompted. This removes the video from public view immediately. Once done, refresh your channel and the shorts shelf to ensure it's gone. If the short is part of a playlist, remove it there too. Remember why. Deleting frees up your channel's presentation and prevents unwanted views or comments from You finish with verification and a troubleshooting tip. Confirm the short is gone from content videos and from your public channel page. If the short still appears, clear the app or browser cache, sign out and back in, or wait a few minutes for YouTube servers to sync. This fixes most lag issues. If it still persists, check account ownership, linked creators access, and studio permissions before contacting support. That step prevents accidental retention due to permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.